everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning Medium with Meghna. Today I am here with a new topic. In last video we learned what is pronoun and kinds of pronoun. Today we learn their function. So let's get started in the video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. The functions pronoun perform in sentences. By definition, you all know what is pronoun. It is the word that is used in a place of a pronoun or a pronoun phrases. Pronouns therefore take the position of a noun in sentences. For example, instead of saying Peter is a thief, I can replace a noun in this sentence. The Peter is the noun, the name of the person. We can replace it by the pronoun, that is he. Form the sentence like this: he is the thief. There are several types of pronoun in the English language. Examples of kinds of pronoun we have include personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, interrogative pronoun, etc. We already learned. Now, what is the grammatical function of a pronoun? The grammatical function of a pronoun is said to be the work or the job that the pronoun is doing in a sentence. Pronoun can perform any of the following 5 functions. In noun there are also 5 functions. In pronoun they have also a 5 function. What are there? Subject of the verb, object of the verb, complement of the verb, object of the preposition and apposition to a noun. Now let us take a look at each of these functions of a pronoun one after the another. First one is pronoun functioning as a subject of a verb. Here, the pronoun will always come before the main verb in the sentence. How we identify this was first type of functioning. This pronoun functioning before the main verb in the sentence. It is also one the entire sentence focuses on. Simply put, whether a pronoun is used as a subject in a sentence, then it functions as a subject of a verb. For example, he is very sick. अब इसमें इन्होंने नाउन मेंशन नहीं किया है, बट इन्होंने ही का यूज़ करके, प्रोनाउन का यूज़ करके उस पर सारा उसका मेन मोटिव डाल दिया. अब इसमें मेन वर्ब क्या है हमारा? ही. यू मे लेट दैम कम इन. आई हेट द वे द मूवी एंडेड. शी लाइक्स मी. इट इज़ अ शेम दैट वे यू मिसट्रीट द चाइल्ड. दे लव स्कूटर. वी वोटेड फॉर ब्रैकेट ओबामा इन द लास्ट इलेक्शन. All the highlighted pronouns in the sentences above all are subjects and they therefore functioning as subject of their respective verb. For example, in sentence 1, the pronoun is he and functioning as a subject to the verb is. आई होप आपको ये वाली फंक्शनिंग फर्स्ट वाली समझ आई होगी, बिकॉज इसमें जो हाईलाइटेड है ये हमारे प्रोनाउन है और जो उनके आगे यूज़ हो रहा है मेन वर्ब का वो हमारे सब्जेक्ट वर्ब है. सेकेंड वन इज फंक्शनिंग एज ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ वर्ब. As you know, object. What is the object in this sentence? So let's get started. A pronoun will function as an object of a verb when it comes after an action verb and receive the action of the verb. It comes after the action verb and receive the action of the verb. For examples, James slapped me. I kissed her. Elton likes a lot. The hunter killed it. You showed him the money. The security spotted us. Each of the highlighted pronouns above is functioning as an object of the verb coming before it. वो उसमें बता रहा है कि वो क्या functioning हो रही है, क्या action done हो रहा है. They all are object because they are receiving action from their respective action verbs. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video and if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.